This is another martini for all you hot and spicy fans out there. It's called the Cajun Martini 2. Just another variation here. We're going to take a mixing glass, fill it up with some ice. Our two ingredients are going to be pepper vodka and some dry vermouth. So we'll take 2 ounces of the pepper vodka. It'll be 8-count pour. And then we're going to add vermouth to taste. You can use as much or as little as you like. A couple dashes should be fine, up to about a ½ ounce. And we'll take our mixer, throw it in the shaker. Give everything a good turning about. And we'll set up our martini glass. Grab the strainer. Strain the contents into the glass. And then to finish this drink off, you can add some black pepper flakes to the drink on the rim or garnish with a